Well, I'm sitting here in the foyer of another great Zebra partner. This time it's MarketMotion, and I'm here because they're fleet management services experts, and I want to know more about productivity and efficiency and how to improve it in fleet management services. So come with me and we're going to have a chat. So joining me here at MarketMotion is Richard Alp, the director of the business, and we're talking all things productivity and efficiency in fleet management services. Now, it's a very broad topic, Richard, but from your experience, what are some of the key things that fleet management services could look at to improve their productivity and efficiency?
Yeah, one of the main areas that we focus in is for customers in the area of dispatch and mobile workflow for drivers. In that particular area there, it's conscious for us of focusing on the use of enterprise and consumer devices in that space and how that maximises the productivity of workers while they're out on the road.
Yeah, and safety is another aspect that sort of goes alongside productivity and efficiency that a lot of organisations are looking at. How do you go about improving safety utilising technology?
Yeah, well, technology is really useful for us to be able to get an understanding of working hours for drivers, so both from a planning point of view and then how drivers are actually executing out on the road, and that really gives us a sense of, are they operating within safe working hours, and are they taking the breaks that we're programming in for drivers during the course of the day, as well as monitoring other activities that that then can impact on their overall safety and security. So it's a big focus for us, is that safety and driver retention.
And when it comes to the technology that a lot of your customers are using, what do you see the trends out there being? What are people moving towards?
One of the main things we're seeing is this convergence between a range of domains, and the domains specifically being advanced planning and route optimisation, second area being in dispatch and mobile workflow, and the third area being within the space of telematics. And bringing and unifying all that information together is giving them a great overall unified view of what's actually happening during the course of the day.
And we all know that having robust, reliable hardware is a big contributor to productivity and efficiency. What do you look for when it comes to, say, mobile computing devices in fleet management services?
Yeah, I guess you've touched on an important point there. I mean, our fundamental focus for us with customers is around productivity and efficiency. So we do look at it on a number of levels. We look at it firstly from a driver point of view, and ensuring that the device is up a lot of the time is critical for us, because we're gathering that information. If the device is robust and it stands the test of times with drivers dropping devices, or alternatively a device getting wet, we need to make sure that it's going to go the distance. The second area for us really is for the customer itself. So we want to be able to make sure that from a productivity and efficiency point of view, there's not a lot for them to have to manage at the back end of supporting the overall problem that we're looking to solve for them.
So Richard, before I go, please tell me a bit about MarketMotion.
Yeah, so MarketMotion's a company that works on optimising people's or companies' mobile workers, so whether that be sales, service or delivery personnel. The focus being to improve customer service, safety and productivity and efficiency.
Well, you can find out more, just visit MarketMotion online at www.marketmotion.com.au.